This is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria with my very special monthly readings for you, covering important aspects of life such as career and finance, love, relationship and married life, family, health and education. This video is for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo and Virgo signs. For other signs, you will have to look up part 2. And now, let us begin with Aries. People born under Aries sign are likely to have an easy month. The planets in transit are going to give a boost to your courage and communication. You will be able to courageously face the challenges and obstacles. However, you must carefully plan your actions after considering all the options. This is because your higher energy level can make you bold and sometimes aggressive too. The planets are out to bless you with good gains and will boost up your career. If you work hard with sincere determination, you can attract success. Working professionals shall receive recognition at work if they strive to get some achievements. This month, your health can be good as long as you eat properly, exercise and take good rest. This is a good month for Aries students also. It is foreseen that the love life and married life will be good due to the favorable aspect of the planets on your communication. You will be romantic and sweet and will impress your lover or spouse. The health overall is likely to be good or rather above average. April is likely to be a good month for Taurus natives. They will notice positive developments in many sectors of their lives such as career, relationships, health and wealth. This will be made possible by their favorable planetary position. You may even get a positive impact on your self-development. Your personality will shine this month. In some cases, there are possibilities of foreign job or job with a foreign company, or you may enter into business deal with a foreign company. Many of the Taurus natives may become more spiritually inclined this month. The good news is that many positive things that are in your destiny may unfold during this time. Overall, quite a few of the Taurus natives will feel lucky during this period. A few Taurus natives may travel abroad for work and for pilgrimage to grow spiritually. Love life can be good during this time due to the favorable influence of the planets. You will spend good time with your spouse or lover. Also, you will spend money to make him or her happy. This is a good time to improve your relationships. Therefore, do not say any harsh words. Your focus will also be on your family and friends. You will spend some time socializing with your friends. If in business, you will see steady growth. Some business partners will like you while some may leave you. Some minor health issues may come up during this month. Therefore, try not to get too stressed and do some meditation regularly. Students will feel blessed with better luck during this period. They should respect their teachers and take their blessings. People born under Gemini sign are likely to have more positive and less negative results in many aspects of their lives this month. The transit of the planets indicates that there will be changes in your personal and professional life, and you will have some ups and downs in health and wealth sectors. You may be rather interested in artistic hobbies and living a life full of comforts. There are hints of some issues in your love life and domestic life this month. Be careful and avoid arguments with your spouse, lover, and family members. Therefore, you must act responsibly. Some of the Gemini natives may get unexpected gains. These gains could be from your work and also as a gift from family. At the same time, there may be money matters to take care of. You will need professional advice on how to save money and become good at making money. There may be some unforeseen events in your workplace, some of which may be in your favor and some may not be. But keep your mind focused on positive aspects and work to solve problems at work. And you will receive appreciation from your boss or clients for your skills and attitude. If you are a business owner, then partnership or joint venture can give decent results this month, especially if you do business deals abroad. On the health front, you may have mental stress. Your health can give you some ups and downs during this time. Therefore, try not to get stressed and do yoga and meditation for good health. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one for your zodiac sign and is based on the transit of planets. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on your unique horoscope, position of planets, their strengths, dasha system and transit. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. And yes, that would be a paid consultation. And now let us continue with the forecast of the month. The beginning of the month will be good and you will get your jobs completed in a very efficient manner. Mars will aspect your second house and Saturn will be transiting over your seventh house, due to which some disturbance is expected in your family life. However, Jupiter's transit from 6th April onwards will have a benefic aspect on your second and fourth houses. From then onwards, the atmosphere of the family will go through some positive changes and Mars will also increase happiness and peace in your family when it comes to Gemini on April 14. You will get very good support from your siblings. You love someone from the depths of your heart and expect the same in return. When something like this doesn't happen, you tend to get upset very easily. Speaking about this month, you have to take a little extra care because as far as your love affairs are concerned, Ketu sitting in the 5th house and aspecting Mars can cause trouble in your paradise. From an economic perspective, be prepared for some ups and downs this month. In other words, income will fluctuate. Jupiter's transit in the 8th house will increase your interest in religious and spiritual matters during this month. Your participation in spiritual activities is almost sure because Ketu is also posited in the 5th house. This time will be very good for acquiring spiritual experiences. For students, this month can be fulfilling if they wish to go abroad for technical education. Your intelligence will do wonders and you will also get benefits because of your communication skills. However, you may still remain under pressure and mental stress for some time. You will have to avoid this pressure and not let it dominate you. The month of April can create some fluctuations in your professional life as there are Rahu and Mars present in your 10th house. For example, this combination may cause problems in job-related matters for some natives. There is a possibility of heated debates at work. Therefore, resolve to remain cool and unprovoked. This should help you to avoid some problems at least. If you are not careful, you may get into some kind of controversy. So be very careful before taking every step in your professional life. Leo natives are also advised to be careful about their health right from the beginning of the month as there is a conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in the 6th house and Mercury, Venus and Sun are transiting over the 8th house. You have to take special care of your food intake, exercises and mental peace. In the second half of the month, when Sun enters your 9th house, you will experience a prosperous time. Your fame and respect will increase in society. People will appreciate you better and you can achieve more success. From April 14 onwards, the luck factor of business owners will improve and they will also have good chances of acquiring profit from the government sector. From an economic perspective, the first half of the month at least may prove to be weak, as Jupiter and Saturn are transiting in the 6th house and Venus, Mercury and Sun are in the 8th house. All of these are pointing towards financial loss. Therefore, investing money at this time can prove to be harmful. It would be better to wait for a while now. Gradually, you will see that your financial situation will start improving. The good news is that after April 14, situations will improve significantly and they will help in uplifting your financial position. The beginning of the month will be somewhat fragile for love-related matters. Once again, from April 14, there will be some improvement seen. So work with some patience. During the month of April, some of you may face some unexpected situations. It is advisable that big and important decisions are postponed for the latter half of the month so that you do not face any adverse results. If in a job, your chances of getting a promotion are quite strong, so do not do any such thing that will jeopardize your chances. If in business, your relationship with your business partner will improve, which will help you to take the business forward. This month is going to be very important for business owners and they will get good results in their business activities. Connections will be made with good and influential people from overseas. However, there can be turbulent times with friends. So if you see a possibility of such a thing, then you should just try to avoid arguments and debates with friends rather than losing good friends. Plan your long journeys carefully and if possible, postpone your journeys for a few days. The month of April will be good for love-related matters, at least during the first half of the month. Your relationship with your beloved will get strengthened and there will also be a feeling of commitment towards each other. Virgo students will have a good month. They will be dedicated to their studies. However, after mid-month, they may have to struggle. Students must believe in themselves and have enough self-confidence during exams. On the health front, the period after 14th of this month may be somewhat unfavorable. Friends, that was my forecast according to your zodiac sign. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then the link to the video is given in the description box below. Friends, please do like, share and subscribe this video. After subscribing this channel, also click the bell icon. I wish you a very happy and prosperous month ahead.